To add visual effects throughout your site, enable site-wide animations that appear as visitors scroll through your pages. You can also add animations and other image effects to specific elements like a section background or image block. To enable site-wide animations, first open the Animations panel. Click an animation style. None. Disable site-wide animations. Fade. Content fades in as it comes into view on the page. Scale. Content animates from a smaller size to its final size, creating a zoom effect. Slide. Content slides upward into place, accentuating the effect of scrolling down the page. Clip. Content slides in line by line from the left. And Flex. Adds unique animations to headings, linked text, buttons, portfolio pages, and adds an underline to main navigation and collection page links on hover. Choose a slow, medium, or fast animation speed, then click Save to save your changes and keep editing, or click Exit and then Save to close the editor. Keep in mind, animations on individual image blocks, quote blocks, and other areas override site-wide animations. Some collection pages, like blog pages, store pages, and portfolio pages, always have subtle animations when the page loads, even when site-wide animations are disabled. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.